Luckey offers free audio repair kits to owners of the initial consumer version of the Oculus Rift headset, which suffers from a widespread problem of audio clipping that, according to Luckey, is due to a failure of the complex electromechanical assembly that receives the RR1 kit. For Rift Repair 1, took Luckey less than 3 hours to design, he says, but continued to carry out intensive tests using headphones that customers have sent him for years to make sure he could fully address the problem. Luckey, the fault is limited to the ground trace GND for the correct headphone audio module. This sometimes becomes a complete audio clipping for both ears, although that is less common. The RR1 repair kit can solve both types of failures, and has been designed so that the average PC player does not have problems with installation. It says that Oculus will generally cover any repair of the device itself as long as the product is under warranty, but older Rift users who are more likely to suffer from this problem are generally outside the warranty period. The kit works as an external wiring harness for the Oculus Rift CV1 that can be configured in various ways to address a variety of different faults while running in parallel to the existing electrical system. Most people only need a common ground connection between the modules. Audio from the right and left earphones. Just put on the wiring harness, slide the bypass discs between the clavij pogo ears of the headphones and the strap receptacle. Users with total audio failure will also benefit from the ability to drive completely from external audio sources, both wired and wireless. The kit weighs about 32 grams, but since the weight is behind the facial interface and near the head, you will not be able to tell the difference. Luckey says the kit also works as a third-party headset adapter, but he has no plans to distribute it as such.